What's up, YouTube world? It's your girl S. Dot and my son
Xavier.
And I am back. I haven't recorded a video in the last 7 months. The last video I recorded was just explaining what I wanted my channel to be about and everything, but some circumstances came up and I haven't been able to complete that journey yet, but I will. I just decided to do another mukbang with my son Xavier because I kept hearing about these Wingstop wings, the new wings that they have, the thighs, but unfortunately the Wingstop we stopped at were out of thighs, so we still decided to still do the mukbang and just have different wings. Okay, so we have cheese sauce, we have lemon pepper wings,
got some fries. We try this with the cheese sauce.
Louisiana rub, Hawaiian, and good old atomic.
That spicy stuff.
I like spicy food. Xavier doesn't like spicy food like that, but we're gonna get them today. They say on the website that's the hottest flavor, so we're gonna see if we can take it. Okay, we have cheese sauce. I did order a brownie for dessert, but they did not include my brownie, so after this video I will be calling them to get a refund. Okay, all right, ready to eat?
Yes.
Let's go. I'm gonna start with the Old Faithful lemon pepper.
It's my favorite.
Dip it in some blue cheese.
I'm gonna dip this wing in the cheese. I wanna try it.
Ugh.
Let's try it. I can't really taste it.
Oh yeah.
Lemon peppers is good on anything. You know?
It's just good by itself. But you can't really taste the cheese.
No.
Maybe they need to add some Franks or something.
Probably gonna. I didn't put a lot.
Oh.
But to try fry in the cheese sauce.
Yeah, me too.
I know that's the same kind of stuff. It doesn't matter.
No. It doesn't matter.
No.
Why you sweating me?
What?
Why you trying to do it at the same time as me?
I'm not. I was asking. It's your video, so I didn't know if you wanted to do it at the same time. Wingstop fries are not all that.
No,
like
they're not.
sweet potato fries. This is busting.
You're good with the cheese sauce.
It tastes like, I don't know if y'all have ever had those Taco Bell fries. They taste like those Taco Bell fries.
Those Taco Bell fries are better than these.
Well, yeah, but the cheese, they taste like Taco Bell fries.
We had plain fries though. They had they sold cheese fries and bacon ranch fries. So maybe the bacon ranch fries are good.
What is that called? What is this called again?
Hawaiian.
Look at this one.
I feel like I taste like a tinge of sweetness or something in the seasoning.
That's what I thought it was only me.
That's what's making it not good to me. I don't want my fries to be sweet.
This has like sweet potato fries. These are okay. It tastes like something from school. I can't think of it.
I'm eating them because I like the cheese, but
Is it Hawaiian wings?
yeah.
Hawaiians are ranch.
It's supposed to be like tangy, sweet and tangy. This is the Louisiana rub.
Alright, these are busting. Man, I'm forward to this all day.
So we sitting here doing a Wingstop mukbang And this little boy got somebody paused on FaceTime. Oh, you ain't think I saw that?
Nope.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Focus. Who you got on the FaceTime, son?
Tonight.
Oh, damn. I ain't expecting to say. Okay. But what's that song? You're too pretty to get paused on the FaceTime.
Who sang that?
Partisan Fontaine.
About to go back with these cheese fries. No, I'm gonna take these. What are they called again? Louisiana Road.
I want to taste all three of them before we get to these atomic wings.
Alright. Is it supposed to look like this?
That's fine.
This tastes like the seasoning. The seasoning tastes like the seasoning my grandma puts on her corn that she cooks me. I mean, it's not bad, but for wings.
Hawaiian. I always tell him, Mom see everything. Okay, we see everything.
These are hard.
Oh, I can't get this stuff. I like the Louisiana.
No, alright. They taste like a bunch of. They taste like there's a bunch of pepper on it.
It does. I can taste a lot of seasoning. So far,
I had to try
tasted.
the ranch.
You tasted all three besides the atomic, right?
Yeah.
Which one is the best? Out of lemon pepper, Louisiana rub, and Hawaiian.
I know. Lemon pepper always takes the one.
Listen, Wingstop.
These are busting.
I'm gonna have to agree. It's not that the Louisiana rub and the Hawaiian isn't good, but the lemon pepper just, I don't know what it is. It's for the win between these three.
Lemon pepper will always be the one. They've been my favorite wings for longer than a minute. I'm just lying.
We forgot our napkins.
I'm about to. Wish they got all flats.
I like drumsticks.
Yeah, I like flats with drumsticks, you know, because you know. Oh.
So you let me know when you're ready to go in with the.
I'm ready. Yeah.
Atomic.
I'm ready.
All right, hold on.
I don't want one with a lot of seasoning on it. Yeah. I mean, not seasoning, sauce on it.
Don't run. Don't run from it.
I got some water right here. I'll be fine, hopefully.
Yeah, we have water ready, but I don't know. I heard that milk is the best way to soothe your mouth when you eat spicy food.
Yeah, but we need milk for our cereal.
True.
Remember one time I was here like maybe a week or two ago. I had cereal all day, literally all day.
That's terrible. Don't call the people, telling people that.
I had like 7
They
bowls.
might call the people on me. Like she feeding her child all cereal. Not the cereal.
Like, if you don't like cereal, something wrong with you.
I had a friend tell me he doesn't eat cereal because he doesn't see the point of it. I'm like, what? He doesn't see the point, and I don't know. It was something about food with the milk. Like,
Something
you're
mentally
weird.
wrong with him. Doesn't see the point.
I'm gonna eat a celery stick, and then we're gonna go in on these atomic wings. Celery, because always gotta have something green with a meal. Why you look at me like that?
Not always.
Yes, you do. Veggie.
You always have your water though.
You know, I always tell you, you gotta eat veggies.
What's
Ready?
this so awesome?
You ready?
Yes. Hold on, I have to get my water ready.
Oh, Lord. I honestly don't think they're gonna be that hot.
I don't either, but you.
I never tasted a wing that was extremely hot. I had some chicken this past weekend, and at the 4th of July cookout, and a friend of mine put some ghost pepper hot sauce on it. That was hot. That was the hottest I've ever tasted. So I doubt these atomic wings compared to that. So I think I'll be straight, but
I would not be straight at all.
Don't dip it in the sauce. You just gotta eat it naked.
Oh. Alright, come on.
Let me get some more sauce. Hold on, ready?
I'm trying to break it.
Cheers.
They're hot. They're nasty.
Wingstop, please do better. This the hottest you can go? Do better. I'm thinking it's gonna be, maybe it hit me a little later.
These are hot.
Are you serious?
These are too hot.
Oh, MG.
They're very good with the ranch, though. It's just setting on my tongue. You know,
I mean, I feel the spiciness, but this is nothing. That was nothing.
All right, all of this.
In fact, let me get another one. Okay, all this sauce at the bottom.
All right, all of this are 8. Ooh.
8. All this sauce that I have on here.
Not gonna do anything to her. Those wings at the 4th of July, and that sauce at the 4th of July cookout was hot as heck.
I gave you some. I was a little tipsy by then, so I don't remember it.
She put a little on my finger, just a little bit.
Oh, okay. It was.
These are so good. Wingstop is doing amazing.
They alright.
Hater. I had a Wingstop. No, I'm just playing. Is there any more flats in here?
Nope. Yeah, one right there. Okay.
Oh. Okay. Best flavor wings to ever exist on earth.
Like, where was lemon pepper when I was growing up? I ain't learning about lemon pepper till I don't even remember hearing about that when I was in college. Like, what the? It's like it just popped up out of nowhere and it's here to stay, thank goodness. But
if lemon pepper wasn't a thing, my favorite wings would probably be honey barbecue.
Mine?
No, mine.
Oh, yours?
My mouth is still burning.
You like wet or dry wings?
A little bit wet, just a little bit.
Ew, I'm really not liking this. I like the cheese sauce is the thing. That's why I keep eating these fries, but I'm really not liking this sweetness. I'm gonna dip some chicken in the cheese. How about that? So we were talking in the car on the way home, and we're not sure what we should eat for our next mukbang. So please give us some suggestions. I really. Did you want? I want to do seafood, but that was our very first video. So, maybe we can get like
So let's just bring it back.
Bring it back. Run it back.
Seafood mukbangs are very entertaining anyway.
Give us some suggestions, please.
Chipotle. Chipotle.
I'm gonna knock his phone out the chair in like 2 seconds. Get your hand covering your face looking at that phone. We forgot the napkins, so I'm gonna lick my fingers.
These are.
My hands were clean, so don't try me. I need to show y'all my shirt.
I'm in a full.
F your perm. F your perms, what my shirt says. Team Natural.
I just accidentally dipped my fries in ranch. That's disgusting.
I was about to dip this in cheese.
Probably tastes good.
Get full. What? I'm not getting full. Let me find out I can eat more than him. But he eats motherfucking 7-8 times a day. Whatever.
Let me see if I can eat more than you. Pause.
I didn't say that.
Mm-hmm.
I said let me find out I can eat more than him.
Pause.
What? I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with these kids born after 2000. Like,
no, these grown-ups just be saying some sus stuff.
you know, y'all are crazy. Like, crazy.
Sus.
You can't even talk without somebody pause. Oh, pause. You like, when you don't get out my motherfucking conversation.
Definitely can't eat no hot dogs. People will get to recording you.
Yeah. I've seen a couple videos on Facebook.
Whoever made lemon pepper wings deserves everything in the world.
Mm-hmm. Them things was not around when I was growing up. We just got into that. They probably have, I wonder if they have them in the carry out now, but I mean, it was all just regular wings. Then buffalo. I feel like those are the only two choices. Wings or buffalo wings.
Wingstop didn't have buffalo wings.
Let me get 6 wings, French fries, salt, pepper, ketchup. It was that easy.
The bag was gonna be bigger, to be honest. Thought we had 2 bags. It's good. You gonna finish those?
Atomic? Yeah.
Good.
Which ones you gonna finish?
If you get that wing.
Huh?
Pepper ones. Cinnamon pepper ones.
You gonna oh, look at some kind of sauce down here. Some like liquid sauce down here for the Louisiana rub.
I know, I got it. I don't like it.
Oh, you don't like it? Let me. How can I?
Go ahead.
Oh my gosh, my hands.
I don't even think I'm gonna eat any more Louisiana rub.
thought it was a dry. I said Louisiana rub. Yeah, a dry rub. Why is it wet apparently? You see that? It's about to spill out. See that pouring down? That's the Louisiana rub sauce. It's a lot of salt in there. Anyway, all right, you guys. Xavier is full, and I'm getting there. So we just wanted to do a welcome back to YouTube video, and taste some of these Wingstop chickens. And we'll see y'all guys next time. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Atomic still affecting you or something? What is wrong with him? Oh, it's lying. I'm gonna hold him right here for 10 minutes so he can't get anything to drink.
Man, it's calming down.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And do not forget to give us suggestions on what the next mukbang we can do. We'll try to do things even if we don't like the items that you guys suggest. We're still going to do it. We'll see how it turns out. And you guys get to see our reactions, right?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. Until next time, let your light shine bright. Bright as it can be. Alright. Deuces.